Hi everyone. I'm going to try and explain the solution to the fish tank problem that I posted this week. And so you can see the problem here. It reads Morin's fish tank, shown below, holds 8,000 cubic centimeters of water when it's full. Morin decides to pour water into a height of 2 centimeters below the top of the tank. And then there's a diagram of the tank here. So we see that's 20 centimeters wide and 40 centimeters long, but we don't know the height yet. The question is, how much water in centimeters cubed will Morin need to pour into the tank so the water is 2 centimeters below the top? So we've got a few things we need to figure out here. First of all, we need to figure out what is the height of that tank. So we know the volume, or I should say we know the capacity, is 8,000 centimeters cubed. We know that the width of this tank is 20. We don't know the height yet. And we know that it's 40 centimeters long. So we can find our height pretty quickly here, because we know that to find the volume or capacity of a rectangular prism, we're going to do the length times the width times the height. We know two of those measurements, so we're going to go 20 times 40 is 800 centimeters squared, because right now we're just talking about the area of the bottom. And then times something would give us 8,000 centimeters cubed. So if we do some rearranging here, we can say, well, that's 8,000 centimeters cubed divided by 800 centimeters squared would give us 10 centimeters. So we know the height of this is 10 centimeters tall. But if we go back to the problem, we want to fill it so that it's 2 centimeters below the top of the tank, which means we're only going to fill it up to 8 centimeters. And so if those are our measurements that we're using now, we're going to say that this tank is going to be filled so that it's 20 centimeters times 40 centimeters times 8 centimeters. And if we do that math, 20 times 40 is 800. 800 times 8 is 6,400 centimeters cubed. And if we want to go one step further, because we know that 1 centimeter cubed is equal to a milliliter, we can say that the tank is going to be filled with 6,400 milliliters of water.